Okay, so if you, in your calculator, right, for most of you, unless you have like one of the old 83s, which has its own button that says matrix on it, for most of you, it's the x to the minus 1 button. Above it, it says matrix. So when you're going to go to the matrix, you're going to go second and x to the minus 1. And what you see along the top is names, math, and edit. Right? We want to go to edit. So arrow over. And then, so these directions are saying matrix edit 1. Right? When we hit 1, it's going to select the first matrix, A. That's the one we want. So 1. Right. Now, the first numbers on the top here, those are the dimensions, right? The number of rows times the number of columns. So you're going to say 3, enter, 3, enter, and it'll pop up a matrix. If it doesn't already have one in there, it'll pop up a 3 by 3 matrix of zeros, right? You want to write over the top of them with these numbers right there. 2, 3, 1. We want this to be 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1. What's that? Did you pop up the matrix? Okay, matrix. Are you on B?
Yeah.
Okay, well then you want to put in -1. Enter. Okay. Okay, let me do this because I think I have this right there. Second matrix edit 1. So it should look like that. Okay, and then after you've done that, then you want to load the matrix B, which is this one right here. -1, 1, -2. So go back to the calculator and do the same steps, right? It is second, x to the minus 1 for matrix, edit, this time pick 2. It's a 3 by 1, 3 rows, 1 column. So put 3, enter, 1, enter. It should pop up 3 zeros here, and you're going to put in -1, 1, -2. Are you okay with that? Okay, so that's this row and that's this row. Okay, then on the main screen, once you've got the 2 matrices in the calculator, on the main screen, you do this. Second, quit. Okay, you go to matrix, second, x to the minus 1. This time, you just go to in the very first, in names, select 1. There's your A matrix. Okay, now hit x to the minus 1, and then go matrix, second, 2, so that it looks on the screen like that. Right? So first you've entered the 2 matrices, and on the screen it should look like that. And you hit enter. There's your answers. So what does that mean? That means x equals 2, y equals -1, z equals -2. There's your answers. Because that's the process. Because that's what you're trying to do. Yes, that's always what you do. Always, right? We're not going to do all of chapter 8 to get to that one fact. I'm just going to say that's how you can use matrices to solve it. I mean, I talked to the calculus teacher about the value of us doing the chapter on matrices, and she said no. But it is helpful if you're solving bigger systems of equations. We don't want to do this row echelon stuff, too much. That's just too laborious.